Now today this is all about dealing with nursery bed. So this is a bed, so you know very well that after 3 days the seedlings will have started to germinate. So in the immediately 2 to 3 days, the mulch that is used to cover the bed, the nursery bed, should be removed. So today, as you can see, we are going to deal with nursery bed. So the things that a farmer should consider when dealing with the nursery bed, the first thing is that the farmer should ensure that the bed is near to the source of water. The farmer should put his or her nursery bed where there is enough security so that to avoid theft cases and other intruders, for example like pests, like other the domestic animals from invading the nursery bed. Then the nursery bed should be laid or prepared in a place where there is enough water, so that to ease in the activity of watering in case of inadequate or additional amount of water to be prepared. So today, as you can see, this is where after you have prepared your nursery bed well, you have applied mulch, you've also done everything, you have watered, and it's about 2 to 3 days. The seedlings will be sprouting. So you have to erect a shed, and as you can see, that's how things are done. You have to raise the shed. So the main aim of the shed is that to avoid the direct sun heat, so that the crop or the seedlings cannot be affected by the hot sun. So, and then the other thing is that the shade also prevents the loss of moisture from the nursery bed. And then again, you'll find that when you are watering the water, that shade or that grass that is placed above the constructed structure, that's the nursery structure, you will find that it will reduce the force of water dropping on the soil where the seedlings have been planted, hence preventing them from being exposed or being uprooted, or it prevents erosion. Hence the crop or the seedlings will remain safe from being exposed to the environment or being exposed. Hence maybe they may die in advanced time due to the root exposure. So as you can see, that's how the nursery bed is laid, and it is very important and vital to follow the steps as they are given. So after erecting the shed, you have to ensure that the bed is well secured, proper management and all other things should follow. Then the other thing is that after you have prepared your nursery bed, so the main bed where the seeds to be transplanted should be ready. So it should be cultivated in dry or under some certain conditions, so that to remove all the roots of the weeds, so that the farm can be clean and pure and ready to receive the crop. Then also the nursery bed should be watered before transplanting. This is to ease in the removal of roots, or to pull out the seedlings very well without destroying the structure. Then transplanting should be done early in the morning or late in the evening. This is to ensure that the seedlings get adapted to that transferred farm before the sun starts hitting them. So that way those seedlings will be able to catch up very well and grow very well. So then the seedlings, obviously, you can uproot using that tool used to lift the seedlings. That's all. Thank you.